What's up everyone, my name is Anthony, and in this video I'm going to go over the technical analysis and wave counts of the broader market, and then dive into some specific stock picks, and also talk about the fear index and how it correlates to the analysis that I'll be talking about in this video. So to start off, we'll look at the S&P 500, and this is reflected by SPY. So overall, on the 30-minute time frame, we can zoom out a little bit, and as I've said in previous videos, we are nearing the top of all these nested wave 5s over here, and we're kind of working on this count in gold and yellow that I want to focus on. And just to broaden out and zoom out a little bit, we have this count over here forming in purple. So a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a wave 3 up here, a complex correction for a wave 4, and now we're working on this wave 5. So we're dissecting this wave 5 right here into this golden yellow count. And if I go down to the 15-minute time frame, we can kind of look at what this looks like in more detail. So overall, after we finish this complex correction over here, so a W, X, Y, X, Z, we had the start of this wave 1 by forming a clear impulsive structure. So wave 1 up, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we corrected for a wave 2. And now we're working on this wave 3, as you can see here. So this is very typical of wave 3, lots of increase. And we are having some V-shaped like structures, and I want to talk about that in today's video because that is a very unique structure and it presents some good trade opportunities as we look into the rest of this week. So overall, within this golden yellow count, I want to focus on this wave 3 right here. And this is what we're currently sitting in on the indexes. So we have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, very short retracement, but that is technically a wave 2. And this is what the count is right now. And it does agree with some of the fib levels. I have diagrammed them out right here, and I'll explain them as we go down to the smaller time frames. So we have a wave 1 up, wave 2 down. We're currently working on this wave 3 over here, and this wave 3 is extended. So we have within this wave 3, a 1, 2, 3, 4 over here. So this is a wave 4, and now we're working on this wave 5 upwards as part of this wave 3. And then we'll have a 4, 5 to finish off this wave 3 in golden yellow. And then we'll have just another wave 4, and then a wave 5 to finish off the bull market top. And then we'll start heading downwards for some bear markets. But right now we're still in bullish territory, and we do have some more upside to go. And if I go down to the 3-minute time frame, we can zoom in on what we saw today in today's price action. So within this wave 3 right here, so we finished the top of the wave 3, we actually peaked right at the 1.618 extension, and that just means where wave 3 was 1.618 times the length of wave 1 right here, and we got that perfect rejection, and we got this V-shaped like structure. So I want to zoom in on that, and I'm actually going to go down to the 1-minute time frame. So this allows us to zoom in really carefully on the price action that we saw today, minute by minute. So after we peaked at this wave 3 top, we basically failed to get past the 1.618 zone. We came down for wave 1, up for wave 2, down for wave 3, up for wave 4, down for wave 5, for a wave A, and then we worked up for a wave B, and I believe this is the end of the 4th wave right here of the wave C. And as you can see over here, I drew out the Fibonacci retracement levels of the preceding wave 3 right here, and you can see that we actually bounced perfectly off the 50% retracement level. So this just means that this wave 4 corrected half of the wave 3 upwards. And that's a very common level for wave 4. So this looks good so far. And this could be the start of wave 5. I do want to wait for tomorrow's price action to confirm that we aren't in a flat correction. So if we are in a flat or some kind of weird triangle, we could see this sort of push downwards. And I want to be careful of that. So that's just to be aware of, because wave 4s can take on those type of structures. But overall, because we can subdivide this move downwards into an ABC like so, and because this A wave clearly subdivides into 5 structures, and this B wave looks like a B wave, the C wave also looks like a C wave because we have kind of like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this 5 right here will be some kind of ending diagonal. So that would give us confirmation that we are in a wave 5. If we do keep pushing upwards like this, let's say we kind of dip a little bit for some kind of wave 2 of that wave 5, and we keep pushing upwards, that is confirmation that we are in a wave 5 of the wave 3, and then we could trade calls for that, because I can show you some of the targets of this wave 5 of the wave 3, and they are pretty promising. So actually, I'm going to go down to the 5-minute time frame to get these targets for you. So overall, we're looking at this sort of pattern right here. So we have that wave 1 up. We're going to take that length right here and drag it down to the bottom of wave 4. And as you know, that's right at the 0.5 retracement. And I know there's a lot of levels here, but I'm just trying to point out exactly which ones kind of matter right now. So overall, we're looking at these levels as I'm showing here. And you can see that there are some pretty high levels right at the 1.618 at 437, 436, and 435. So these would be targets of that wave 5. And this is some pretty decent upside from this level right here. And so that's about maybe 1% of upside that you can play for calls. And because we are still having some more bullish upside to this wave 3, you could actually hold these calls all the way through this upside and this kind of maybe possibly choppy area. You could hold this through for some chances at 340. So this 340 area would be Fibonacci level extensions of this wave 1, 2 right here. And I've diagrammed out these by this extension right here. So that's just to keep an eye out for. Overall, still bullish on the indexes, and I'm definitely looking to play calls, especially if we get price confirmation tomorrow that we have exited the wave 4 and are now entering this wave 5 to the upside. And now if we look at the triple Q, so this is the NASDAQ, we do have a little bit slightly different price action. Today we didn't get as much downside in the tech sector. Actually, we were up today, 0.43%, while SPY was down. So overall, we did have this kind of complex correction, so our WXY, and we were working on this wave 5 upwards. And within this wave 5, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're currently stalling right at the 1.618 levels, the extension levels of this wave 1, which is very common for wave 3. So I expect us to see some sort of hesitation for the wave 4 before we can push upwards for the wave 5. And right now, everything is looking good for the tech sector. Overall, the risk to reward for trading this index is not as high as SPY, as I've said in the past videos, because you don't want to trade anything for wave 4. You just want to wait for it to present itself as a buying opportunity for calls into this wave 5, which I will cover in the Discord as well as here in the YouTube when that opportunity does come. So overall, this looks good, still bullish, and we are approaching the top of that nested wave 5s as well, just like in the S&P 500 over here. So now we'll look at the VIX. So the VIX, as I said in the past video, we were sitting right here at this level, and I said that we would gravitate towards this blue trend line right here, and that would correlate to this wave 4 drop that we got today, and that's exactly what we got. So we did have that sort of push upwards here, and now I expect that we could possibly gravitate now back towards this white trend line here at 13.64, and this is just a previous area of support and resistance on the VIX, so we would probably go towards that if we do see some more upside on this SPY. So overall, the VIX does agree with the analysis. We should gravitate towards this white trend line right here, and that would correlate to the completion of this bullish count in the indexes. So now that we covered the broader stock markets, I want to dive into the specific stock pick called NVDA. And the reason why I want to bring this up because this is doing a very clear wave count, and I want to present this as a really good buying opportunity in the future. So overall, if we zoom out on the daily time frame, we have a wave 1 up, wave 2 down, wave 3, and then a kind of complex correction, wave 4, which is moving sideways, and then we pushed upwards. We're currently working on this wave 5 now, and this wave 5 very clearly subdivides, as you can see, into a wave structure. So wave 1 up, wave 2 down, wave 3 up, and we're currently working towards that 1.618 extension level, just like in the tech sector, kind of just like this very similar structure, working towards that wave 3. And I expect that we'll have some kind of trouble for the wave 4. We'll just kind of either consolidate or retrace slightly, and then we have another chance of upside for this wave 5 of 5, and that's what I'm looking to play here. So this is on my watch list. Right now it's not a good buying opportunity. The risk to reward is not high at all right now, but once we do dip for the wave 4, the chances and the risk to rewards are really good for the stock because there's very high confidence that we will push higher for that wave 5 because this structure very clearly subdivides into an impulsive wave. And we can target that wave 5 of 5 for the stock pick. So I will keep this on my watch list as we move on in the future, and this should go well with the bullishness we expect in the tech sector as well as in the S&P 500. So that's going to be it for this video. That's just an update, quick update on the broader markets as well as just some things I was watching and keeping my watch list. As always, I'll keep you updated in the Discord with whatever trades I do and the market analysis. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.